Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, is Bitcoin right now in danger? Are we going to see one last dump before the big moonshot? Well, I want to talk about that. I want to talk about what I am expecting right now for Bitcoin. And this video is overdue. Look at this. Bitcoin is right now on the edge of a huge move. I will talk about the different time frames, and I want to tell you exactly not only what was going on here within the last 24 hours, but more importantly, what is going to happen to Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Guys, watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. The last video is all crushing through 10,000 likes and more. Let's make it happen again. Let's get more than 10,000 likes. You know what? Let's get more than 11,000 likes on that video, as we want to keep it pushing here a little bit higher. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And of course, guys, I am going to talk about my multi-million, actually in fact $10 million trade on Bitcoin almost. I will talk about that. I will talk about when I'm gonna take profits, but more importantly, if you are right now standing on the sidelines, not in a trade, I want to tell you exactly what I would be doing, what would be my next move for Bitcoin trading wise. And now, guys, let's get straight into it. And as you know, sharing is caring. Not only liking, but if you share this video with your friends among social media, this is what helps the YouTube algorithm the most. Now let's talk about Bitcoin, and let's start on the hourly candles. What you can see is Bitcoin is consolidating in this rising wedge. A rising wedge is a bearishly biased pattern and has a higher likelihood to break to the downside than to the upside. The last time we had a wedge, it was a falling wedge, and well, we broke out and also exactly hit my price target, which is always the top of the wedge. If we were to break down, the bottom of the wedge is actually the price target, 62,800 US dollars. Zooming out, you can see, let me show you that in case we would be breaking down, obviously I want to talk about what I think is going to happen, that this is also exactly where the support would be coming in. And more importantly, let's just go down here to the daily candles. This is also where the daily support is coming in. You know that we just broke out from this rising wedge, and that the price target of that rising wedge is actually in perfect alignment of the cup and handle breakout, which is 74,000 US dollars. So far, we are holding this support, and honestly speaking, I would like to see the Bitcoin price breaking higher now, because we are really retesting and exhausting the daily support to a degree where it can get very concerning. We have to hold the daily support being right now at approximately, let me show you exactly, 62,500 to 62,800 US dollars, exactly the price target on the hourly chart. Also, going over here to the 4 hourly, you can see that the 4 hourly support actually comes in a little bit lower, pretty much in alignment with the next horizontal support we are having from February, March and May. So we have a lot of support areas below. So on the grand scheme of things, I am actually still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin on the daily. I'm bullish on Bitcoin on the weekly. This is not changing. Actually, the higher the time frame is, the more bullish I am on Bitcoin. This is why I'm having these trades open. I want to elaborate on a little bit later, where I will tell you exactly my price targets, my predictions and my game plan on my 10 million US dollar trade for Bitcoin. First of all, let me elaborate a little bit on the weekly candles, where we are of course having these multiple touch points here, which we did not break yet. You can see we are in this, let's call it an ascending triangle. And again, Bitcoin is testing the support again and again and again. And I can tell you something. You know what? You can let me know, because it's so obvious. What do you think is going to happen once Bitcoin breaks this 11 years resistance with 5 touch points? Now it's actually here. We had 3 touch points in a row. What do you think is going to happen when we break it? I can tell you what's going to happen. I do believe that we are going to hit price targets of way above 100,000, potentially even 200,000 US dollars. What we need is, of course, a break above that. Bitcoin has to close a weekly candle above 72,000 US dollars for this to happen. And I have something else to share with you, of course, guys, before I'm going into my trades. Let me remind you on something. You know what, let me quickly talk about the trades first. I have this trade on Bybit. It is in a slight profit, right? Like almost, this is in crypto, a slight profit, 30%, 57,000 US dollars on this specific trade. And of course, I have my $7.4 million trade over on Bitcoin right here on Phoenix, $1.6 million in a profit. And as you can see, the training trade is almost 100,000 US dollars in profits, 300% here on the 750,000 US dollar training trade. trade. And well, guys, I am updating you about these things in the moment I am opening the trades. I am updating you on YouTube, and more importantly, I am updating you in the exact second I am doing these things about my next steps, actually over on my Twitter account at MMCrypto. Follow the Twitter account where I just posted an hour ago that the Taproot update is completed. Fundamentally, this is the most bullish thing since SegWit in 2017. Taproot is giving us lower transaction fees. It can give us more anonymity on Bitcoin. And because of the lower transaction fees, even DeFi would be possible on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is evolving actually, and fundamentally we are stronger than ever before. That is why the price is also higher than ever before. I believe that this bull market is just about to start. Let me quickly go back here. It's just about to start, and it's a question of time that we are breaking out here. In fact, let me quickly go back here to the chart and show you exactly where the apex is. Well, it might be that we will have a very nice Christmas this year. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And I wanted to remind you, if you are not part of the fastest growing community in the world, not only the MMCrypto community, link down below, also the Codename V community, we just broke 60,000 members within a week. 60,000 members. Go to this group here. It's the most active Telegram group in the world. If you are joining the group, link down below. Let me actually show you. Link down below here in the pinned comment. You join the group. If you join it, and the more active you are, the higher actually your free IDO allocation. We are giving these tokens out for free to you, for the early supporters. You can get less than a 10,000, you know what? Less than 100,000 US dollars in free bonuses. If you click the Bybit VMAX Binance link, Bybit is my favorite. You click the link, and after making your own account, it takes like 12 seconds or so. You get these bonuses credited onto your account for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.